Hey y'all, I thought I would show you real quick. So I was gonna work on the ends of my Bellissima here. So you can see if I can show that to you. She's just a little bit frizzy on the ends. So I was gonna heat treat it a little bit. So I just thought I would show you how I do it. So I use the John Renault HD detangler. It's actually, you're gonna find it in a black bottle now. This is a travel size, but it lasts so long that I still have the old bottle. But all I'm gonna do is just spray a little bit of it. It doesn't take a lot. And then on your flat iron, this particular one doesn't, I don't know if you can see that, but it doesn't have like a digital reading of the temperature. So I try to keep it about 280, 300 approximately. It goes from 140 all the way up to 450. So I just dial it, low on the dial, and that's how I do it. So I've got it sprayed. So then I'm just gonna go over it several times with the flat iron. And you can go up in here if you want to. Bellissima is a good one for me to show it to you on because it's straight. I will sometimes show you how I do a wavy one. That's a little more challenging. But I thought, well, since I'm gonna do this, I'll just, show it to you guys. So, after I've done it a few times, let's see if you can see a difference yet. It's looking smoother. And sometimes I don't always put the detangler on there because it's already got I always spray my wigs with the Restore spray. So I feel like it's already got a coating, of silicone on it. So, and you can just go over it several times like that. Don't be afraid to use your flat iron on these. These heat-friendly fibers actually need heat. So there you can see those ends are cleaned up there. Hope you can see that. And they look a lot better. Hope that helps y'all.